Hey, this is Dr. Green with Momenta Chiropractic, and today we're going to go over what we call neutral position stretching, which is really helpful for getting more flexibility from some of the tendons and muscles that we find really tight. So we're going to focus this on the Achilles tendon and the calf. So in order to do this, we're going to best done seated. And we're going to use this strap here. And so this is just like a heavier kind of resistance band. And the reason that we like something heavier is so that it doesn't have too much give to it when we do that contraction portion. You can also use like a towel or stretching like yoga strap. All of those work great. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of place that strap right around the ball of the foot. And then we're going to sit up nice and tall. And the key with neutral position stretching is it's going to be a 5-second contraction and then a 10-second stretch repeated 3 times. But the thing that we're looking for in order to make it neutral position is we don't want that contraction to happen either in a stretched position or in like that plantar flexed or kind of like flexed forward position. We want it to be in neutral. So this is really subtle on the video, but I'm going to pull tension and then I'm going to contract my calf to be able to put tension in the Achilles tendon, but notice that my foot doesn't move forward. I have to pull enough tension to make sure that I can contract it without it kind of falling forward or being pulled back. So we're gonna hold that for 5 seconds. Then we're gonna let it relax. And then I'm gonna allow myself to pull into a mild to moderate stretch, nothing that causes pain, but just enough to feel it and hold that for 10 seconds, okay? After that first round, we're going to do 2 more. So putting it back in a neutral position, pulling tension, and then contracting that muscle, pushing into that resistance and holding for 5, letting it relax, and then pulling back into that mild to moderate stretch. And again, holding 10 seconds and repeating 3 times per side. The thing that we want to point out is if you have Achilles tendon pain and it's on the insertion point, kind of on the back side of the heel, we really want to stay away from kind of like big stretches there because it adds some compression that might aggravate pain. So this is really mild to moderate and 2 tolerance. We don't want to push through pain with this. This is really helpful for being able to increase tendon length, which also helps to increase its elasticity, makes it a little bit less prone to injury, and can actually create a little bit more spring, which helps for performance. So give it a shot. Let us know if you have any questions.